In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your activity on LinkedIn. If you're looking to keep your online presence a bit more private and control who can see when you're active, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in and walk through this step by step. First, you'll want to head over to linkedin.com. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to sign in. You can do this by using your Google or Microsoft account, or if you prefer, you can input your email address and password. It's a straightforward process, but if you encounter any issues, consider resetting your password using the Forgot Password option. Of course, if you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn will ask you to verify your account. They'll send a code to your phone number, which you'll need to enter to proceed. This extra layer of security ensures your account is protected from unauthorized access. Once logged in and verified, look for your profile picture. It's usually located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it, and from there a drop-down menu will appear. You'll want to select Settings and Privacy. This is the hub where you can adjust all the detailed preferences for your privacy and visibility on LinkedIn. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar and click on Visibility. This section allows you to control how others interact with your profile and the information you share on the platform. Within the visibility settings, you'll find visibility of your LinkedIn activity. Under this section, look for the option labeled Manage Active Status and give it a click. Now you're faced with a few options which will determine who can see your active status. The first option is No One, and as you might guess, this choice ensures that no one on LinkedIn can see when you're online. If you value your privacy and prefer to keep your activity entirely hidden, this is the option for you. The second option is Your Connections Only. Selecting this means only your first degree connections will be able to see when you are active. This could be a good middle ground if you still want to appear available to your closer network without broadcasting your activity to everyone. Finally, you have the choice of All LinkedIn Members. By selecting this, any member on LinkedIn can view your online status. This option is great for those who are open to networking and enjoy real-time interactions on the platform. Once you've chosen the visibility setting that suits you best, there's no need to worry about saving your changes. LinkedIn automatically saves the adjustments you make, so you're instantly good to go. And there you have it. Now you know how to control who can see your active status on LinkedIn, bringing you one step closer to curating a tailored experience on your professional network. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.